Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Windows PC. At first click on this Windows icon over here and here click on this settings button. Here click on devices, which are over here, and now click out of order device. Here click Bluetooth, and now if you are not in pairing mode, you have to go into it. To do so, you have to hold this button over here for at least 3 seconds. Then you will be in pairing mode. Here click on your headphones on the list, and now as you can see your device is ready to go. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!